Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. I've got Zoya's Stassi, and Pueen Celebration Collection Lace Blossoms. I'm starting this one off with IMK's Bio Base, and this is Zoya, and I don't know if it's Stassi or Stacy. I don't know. It's beautiful. So we're going to go in with our first coat. It's really jelly-like, but oh, the glitters and shimmers in this one, oh my goodness, when it's built up, it's stone cold gorgeous. I love it. You could probably layer this as a topper over other things, but I'm going to build it up. I'm going to go in for that second coat. This is one of the Zoyas that I bought a long time ago. I did a Zoya haul, and it's been sitting in my need to do it bucket. So happy I got around to playing with this one. We're going to go in with a third coat. Most of you that know me know I don't normally do 3 coats of hardly anything, but this one needed it. So we're going to pop that on there. We're going to get Woody out here. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down because I am going to stamp all over it. I'm going to get crazy with it today. So there we go. We're going to cap our free edge here. And ta-da! There's my swatch photo of it on its own. And this is the Pueen Celebration Collection Lace Blossom Plate. It's huge. And I'll be using Maniology Crisp to stamp with today. I have got out my, let's see, Maniology Scraper and Monocle Stamper. And today I'm going to use the Get a Grip because these nails were really, really dry by the time I got to do the stamping. So I am just going to put on a base of something to help it stick good. Now, this is one of those buffet plates, and I love plates like this. I'm just going to stamp different images from this plate all over these nails. I'm going to clean that stamper off on my lint roller, and I'm not going to worry with cleaning the plate until I'm done. It's a huge plate, and I've got lots of different pieces and bits that I can pull off of it. I'm recycling some stamping here. Just go with what you got. There's plenty of it still left on the stamper, so I just kept going with it. And here we go. One more. Scrape, pick up, and deliver. So there we go. Got some stamping on all of them. I am cleaning this plate with pure acetone. I'm going to flip my cotton ball over and grab some more acetone. I did make quite a mess smearing that around. But there we go. Gonna get it clean and wipe it with the paper towel. There we go. Good job. I'm gonna go in with a piece of tape and get some of the excess stamping polish off of my skin. And there we go. Get up under there. And then I'm gonna pop in with my acetone with conditioners from IMK and clean up this with my little cleanup brush. And there we go. We got some tone on tone. I'm going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. I didn't have any problem with it this time. I think maybe last time I just didn't shake it up good. And then I'm going to top it with some Poshe Top Coat, which is one of my all-time favorite top coats. And there we go. Glossy, glossy. Seal that joker in. I'm going to cap that free edge there too. So I ended up liking this. Pretty cool. Pretty fun. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.